Miss Ella Josa, welcome back to my channel! Okay, good afternoon everyone. So I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to your Outlook application. So first off, you have to open your Gmail account. So punta tayo sa Gmail natin. Remember, this should be your personal Gmail account. Hindi po Yahoo Mail, kung hindi Gmail account. So next step is go to the settings. Ayan, medyo mabagal lang ang ating internet. Settings, see all settings. After that, you go to the forwarding and pop IMAP. Okay, so may makikita kayo dito. Meron tayong pop download, IMAP access. What we're going to do is just enable the IMAP access. And then save. Then after that, let's go to our account. Okay, pindutin lang itong menus dito sa may right corner. Yung may 6 na dots. Then on our account, go to the security. Under ng security, you are going to look for the less secure access. We are going to turn that on. Okay, so on lang natin yan. Then balik na tayo. So once we are done with that, punta na tayo ngayon kay Outlook. Okay? Okay. So on our Outlook, what we're going to do here is go to File, Add Account, and then this will pop up. Okay? Doon po tayo sa Manual Setup or Additional Server Type. Then click Next. Then Pop or IMAP. Okay? And then, make sure that you type your name. For example, my name, syempre, is Ella. Full name po. Kahit wala ng middle initial or middle name, may do. Then, yung email ninyo, yung Gmail account ninyo. So, ellamay.luyun@gmail.com. Make sure nagagamit kayo ng inyong personal Gmail account kung saan makikilala kayo. Okay? Hindi yung katulad ng lilchinito@gmail.com. Okay? So dapat yung pangalan niyo pa rin. Okay? Para formal. Okay, next. Doon sa account tab, you select IMAP. And then sa incoming mail server, I have here sa incoming mail server, what we're going to use is the imap.gmail.com. So I'm just going to copy that and then paste it here. Yan. And then sa outgoing naman, SMTP server, we're going to type smtp.gmail.com. So copy lang din natin, then paste it here. Then type your password. Okay. Then punta po tayo sa More Settings. Under ng More Settings sa General, that should be by default. Punta tayo ng Outgoing Server. Check po natin yan. Yung my outgoing server requires authentication. So yan po yung gagawin natin. Next naman is we're going to click the Advanced option. So sa Advanced menu naman natin, what we're going to do is we are going to set the incoming server IMAP to 993. So that is 993. Ito po. Yung IMAP port natin is 993 and yung SMTP port natin is 587. But before you proceed to that, make sure that you use the following type of encrypt connection. So on this port, select natin si SSL. And then dito naman sa baba, we're going to use auto. Then saka natin papalitan si SMTP, which is si 587. Okay? So So, ito po yung port na gagamitin natin para sa ating incoming at outgoing. Okay, by default, okay na yan, then click OK. Next step is click Next. So, medyo matagal lang yan kasi niloload niya na yung ating, or nagko-conduct na siya ng connection. Okay, so ayan na, on process na. Once complete, antayin natin na mag-send siya ng sample message. Once this is completed, therefore, you have a successful connection with your Gmail account and your Outlook. So, finished. Automatically, mapupunta na dito ang inyong Gmail account. You may put it at the top para siya yung pinaka-main. So, matatanggap natin dito yung sample email natin na nag-test tayo na, oh, may na-receive pala akong email. So, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you have questions, do not forget to put the comments down below. Thank you. Bye.